Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix missing always on display button in quick settings panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So if I open my quick settings panel, okay, you can see I can't find always on display button. So it's missing. So to fix it, just tap on pencil or edit button. Tap on edit button over here. Now come to available buttons, this section. Now swipe across until you find always on display. So here is that in my case. So just tap on it and you can see it's now added in quick settings panel. After that just tap on done button. Okay, tap on done button again to save the changes. And now you can see guys, here we have always on display button added in quick settings panel. And if you want, you can turn on or turn off always on display as per your choice. So I want to turn on it. Let me do that. You can see it's now turned on. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.